Well, after months of back and forth, getting an X on your Arkansas ID once again out of the question when it comes to gender.
5 News reporter Lauren Spencer joins us now. She has some background over the legal battle. Lauren.
Yeah, the Department of Finance's no questions asked policy when it comes to gender and licenses was issued back in December 2010. However, this past March, the DFA imposed an emergency rule that would take away the ability to use an X marker for gender on IDs and avoid choosing male or female. Back in April, the ACLU of Arkansas and 5 Arkansans filed a lawsuit against the DFA over that emergency rule. They argued that the change was done without documentation and justification. Today, the Arkansas Supreme Court overruled a lower court's decision to keep the X option available. Scott Harden, spokesperson for the DFA, said today there's currently 387 licenses with the X designation and 197 state IDs. They'll remain active until expiration, and once they're renewed, the gender on the license will be the same as a person's birth certificate. He said today, part quote, "While the emergency rule is back in place supporting this policy, our department is also pursuing a permanent rule, ensuring it remains in place. We anticipate the permanent rule will be final later this summer." Meanwhile, the ACLU of Arkansas said in a news release today that they were deeply disappointed that the Supreme Court decided to restore the emergency rule without explanation. They said in a statement, part quote, "By removing the X marker option, the state forces those who do not fit squarely into the gender binary to choose an inaccurate gender marker, resulting in potential confusion, distress, discrimination, physical harm, and lack of proper identification." Leaders with the DFA held a public comment hearing back on this matter back on June 7th. Arkansans are able to submit written comments until the rule change on Thursday. Lauren Spencer, 5 News.